pleasure on behalf of the government and my permanent secretary, who's the permanent secretary for the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources, who's also here, and under whose department, I'm just the minister, he's the one who gets all the stuff to do the work. So it's a pleasure for us to be here and to formally launch this water, and also it's also a handing over. Now that the government's work has been done, hopefully the school will be able to work with the water committee from the village to manage and look after the system. So it is with great pleasure that I will cut the ribbon to officially commission this project and hand it over. Naka. Yeah, all right, cheers. Cheers, Mata. Cheers with what, eh? Let's do a cheers.